Hello guys, I am from Gauras Maths Hub. Today I shall discuss question number 2, exercise 4.3 equal to so that points A in bracket A comma B plus C comma B comma C plus A comma C A plus B are collinear. This is the case of collinearity here. If a triangle is there in which vertices, the coordinates of vertices are given there, then it says that all these points are collinear. It is then possible when the area of triangle comes out to be 0. So here I shall make the diagram of a triangle in which I shall mark the vertices as A, B, C. 3 vertices will be there in a triangle, and then I shall find the area of triangle by using determinant method. If the area of triangle using determinant methods comes out to be 0, then all these points A, B, C will be collinear. Let us see. Here I shall write solution. Solution equal to, let A comma B plus C comma capital B comma C plus A C comma A plus B be the vertices of a triangle here. I shall make the diagram here. This is a triangle A, B, C. A, B, C is a triangle in which the vertex A, the coordinates of vertex A comma B plus C, the coordinates of vertex B comma C plus A, the coordinates of vertex C comma A plus B. So here you can see the coordinates of vertex A of triangle A comma B plus C. The coordinates of vertex B are B comma C plus A. The coordinates of vertex C are C comma C A plus B. Here it says the points A, B and C are collinear when the area of triangle using determinant method comes out to be 0. So here I shall write, hence concept if the points A, comma B and C are collinear. If the points A, comma B and C are collinear, then the area enclosed by the area of triangle ABC comes out to be 0. This is the concept. If the point A, comma B and C are collinear, then the area of triangle ABC comes out to be 0. So here I shall use the determinant method here. Here I shall write, hence det equal to det. First of all, I shall take the point A, whose coordinates are A, comma B plus C. In place of x1, A is available. In place of y1, B plus C is available. So here write A, B plus C, here 1. Thereafter I shall take point B. In place of x2 I shall write B. In place of y2 I shall write C plus A. Here 1 is fixed. And thereafter I shall take the point C. In place of x3 I shall write here small c. In place of y3 I shall write A plus B. So here I shall form a date by taking the points A, B, C. So if the value of this date comes out to be 0, then the points A, B, C will be collinear here. So let us see how to solve this date here. Here I shall use the property by using the properties R2 goes to R2 minus R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus R1. Here I shall use the properties R2 goes to R2 minus R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus R1. So here you can see R2 goes to. This means that changes will occur only in the second row. And here you can see R3 goes to. This means that changes will occur only in the third row. Hence there will be no changes in the first row here. So here I shall write first row first. So here I shall write date equal to date. First row will be written as it is A, B plus C 1. Thereafter I shall take here second row. Second row says R2 goes to R2 minus R1. So if I take the element of R2 as V, so here write V. Minus is there, right here minus. For R1, the corresponding element of B in the first row is A. So here write A. If I take the element of C plus A as R2, so here write C plus A. For R1, I shall refer first row. The corresponding element of C plus A in the first row is B plus C. So here write minus B minus C will be written. And if I take the element 1 as R2, so here I shall write 1. The corresponding element of 1 in the first row is 1. So here write minus 1. So here the second row I have formed here. Now come out to here. Here it says R3 goes to. This means that changes will occur only in the third row. So if I take the element of R3 as C, so here write C. Minus is there, right here minus. Here you can see R1 is there. The corresponding element of C in the first row is A. So here write A. If I take the element of R3 as A plus B, so here write A plus B. Minus is there, right here minus. The corresponding element of A plus B in the first row is B plus C. So here write minus B minus C. If I take the element of R3 as 1, so here write 1. The corresponding element of 1 in the first row is 1. So here write minus 1. So here write B plus C. Here you take 1. This determinant I have formed here by using the property R2 goes to R2 minus R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus R1. I shall evaluate this determinant here. So here I shall write date equal to, first row will be written as it is, A, B plus C, 1 I shall write. Second row will be B minus A. Here you can see plus C minus C will be cancelled out. Here you will get A minus B. Here comes out to 0. And the elements of third row will be C minus A. Here plus B minus B will be cancelled out. Here you will get A minus C. And net 1 minus 1 comes out to here 0. This thing will get here. Now here you can see in the third column you have got maximum 2 zeros. That's why this date is going to be expanded along third column. Here I shall write expanding date along C3. So here I shall write expanding date along C3. So here you can see here plus minus plus. So here write plus 1. Here plus 1 is content here, and this plus 1 will be reflected here plus 1. Now you get the minor of plus 1 here. Since plus 1 is there, in the first row and third column. First row and third column will be hidden like this. You will get the minor of plus 1 as b minus a minus b. Here you will get c minus a minus c. This thing will get like this. Now do the operation here. Here plus 1 will multiply to plus 1. You will get here only 1. And here open here curly bracket. Here you can see the elements of principal diagonal are b minus a and a minus c. So the elements of principal diagonal b minus a and a minus c will multiply together. So here write b minus a minus c minus this is 60, and thereafter elements of reverse diagonal will get multiplied together. So here write a minus b dot c minus a, closing of braces I have done. Now find the value of det here. Here I shall write det equal to opening of braces I shall do here. Now b will multiply to a. Here you will get ba, and this a will multiply to b. You will get here ba, and minus a will multiply to plus a. So here you will get minus a square. Again minus c will get multiplied to plus b. Here you will get minus bc, and minus a and minus c will multiply together. You will here get plus ac. This thing will get. Here you will get right here minus. Open here small bracket, and a will multiply to c, comes out to here ca, and minus b will multiply to plus b. Here will get minus bc, and again plus a will multiply to minus a, comes out to here minus a square, and minus b will multiply to minus a, comes out to plus ab. Closing of braces I have done. Now here you will get equal to BA. Here I shall write BA. BA minus A square. BA minus A square minus BC plus AC minus CA. This minus will get entered inside. Circle bracket will be broken. So here we will get minus CA plus BC plus A square minus AB. This thing will get. So here you can see plus AB minus AB. This one will be cancelled out. Minus A square, here BA, AB, plus minus cancelled out. Minus A square plus A square will be cancelled out. Minus BC plus BC will be cancelled out. Plus AC minus CA will be cancelled out. So here comes out to be 0. So here you can see the value of det comes out to be 0. Since the value of date comes out to be 0, hence the points A, B and C are collinear. So I have proved the point A, B and C are collinear. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 2, exercise 4.3, chapter 4, determinants, NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay.